Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and auto scroll on TikTok on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, what you gotta do, go ahead and go to your settings, and now you'll go to this option called accessibility, and now go to this option called voice control. Now turn this on. Now tap on this customize commands, and now you will tap on this create new command. Enter the command, for example it's next, and now application, and choose a TikTok, back, not set, run custom gesture, just draw a, and tap on save. Done with the gesture, done right, tap on save option, go back, simply go back, open your TikTok, and now what you will do is you will speak that gesture that you just customized for TikTok. If you apply the word that you just entered, the custom word for this one, if we say that, then your command voice will, TikTok will agree with that command and will automatically scroll. So this is how you can do it from your settings, and I hope this video was helpful. Please do make sure to try it out, and yes, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.